Hi Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope everything's well with you. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, not all of you can resonate. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for this week of July 2024. Energies and messages for Pisces, please. March. Okay. For some of you, you were born in the month of March. Okay? Yung buwan ng March ay napaka-importante sa inyo. May mga importante na naganap in the month of March. Meron kayong naumpisahan na something, maybe business, okay? Yung magandang trabaho, natanggap kayo sa work in the month of March. May mga celebration. The month of March is very significant for you. Okay? Frying pan. Trouble, accusations. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga pinagdadaanan na challenges, may mga trouble. Okay? When it comes sa work or sa personal life, may mga problema or accusations, pagbibintang na nangyayari. Trouble na meron kayong natuklasan. Okay? Archway. New opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. Okay? May mga opportunities na nag-open para sa inyo. Okay? Kung naghahanap kayo ng work, merong opportunities para sa inyo. May mga bagong direksyon sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Dark woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. For some of you, may mga important dealings or important relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. Okay? May mga issues and concern with this person. Hills, obstacles to overcome. Merong mga obstacles, challenges, mga pagsubok, okay, na darating sa inyo, pero ito ay ma-overcome. Okay? May ma-encounter kayo na mga problema to test you. Okay? Forest. Muddled, unclear thinking. Unclear thinking. Okay? Kailangan ng clarification. You need to clear your mind para makagawa kayo ng magandang desisyon, ng isang mabuti or strategic or wiser decision sa buhay ninyo, Pisces. Siguro marami kayong iniisip, ano? Kailangan nyo ipagpahinga ang inyong mga isip. May mga options kayo na kailangang pagdesisyonan, okay? Basically, magulo ang isip ninyo for some of you. So, you have to clear your mind. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot. For Pisces, please, Pisces. Messages and energies for Pisces. Energies and messages for Pisces, please. May mga biglaang pangyayari or event, okay, na masusurprise kayo, magugulat. Pagbabago na mangyayari sa isang sistema or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? It may be sa work, sa business mo, sa personal relationship, or personal life. Okay. Magkakaroon kayo ng solusyon sa inyong problema. For some of you, you will take a trip. Okay. It's going to be the end of a difficult time for you. Magkakaroon kayo ng changes sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay. May pinag-iisipan kayong relasyon, okay? Ina-assess ninyo ang inyong situation when it comes to business, when it comes to work. Meron ba kayong inaantay, okay? Are you waiting for good results sa inyong ginagawa, Pisces? You are also thinking of ways, options, ano pa ang pwedeng gawin para ma-improve ang inyong work, ang inyong negosyo, or ang inyong relasyon. Minsan, kailangan mo rin mag-take a pause, magpahinga, para makapag-isip kayo ng maayos, okay? May mga fears about financial matters or delays for some of you. May mga economic setbacks, okay? But may mga solution palagi. Comfort is just around the corner. Kung nahihirapan kayo, okay? Kailangan nyo na makakausap. You just have to find your way or find the courage para lumapit at humingi ng tulong, okay? Things will improve para sa inyo, Pisces. You will be ambitious, magkakaroon ka ng willpower to succeed, okay? Kailangan mong maging matibay sa inyong mga desisyon na gagawin. Hindi madali, pero kailangan mo ng strong will para ma-reach mo ang inyong goal, okay? Yeah. Merong travel. For some of you, makikilala ka or makikilala ang inyong galing, okay? Yeah. Things will improve in your career, in your business, in your situation, okay? Financially, you will have the attention of people. You will have the attention of the public. Okay? You will be victorious about it. May mga kailangan kayong tingnan sa inyong sitwasyon. Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip ng ibang direksyon, okay? It's high time to get a new direction, new job, new location, new address. May pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo, Pisces. Yeah. Make a wish, Pisces. You are guided spiritually. You feel good about yourself. Merong healing emotionally. Merong pagbabago na nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon na kinasasaya ninyo, okay? Magaan at masarap sa pakiramdam. Merong fulfillment. You are emotionally fulfilled. For some of you, you are getting your desires, okay? Yeah. Merong successful na accomplishment sa inyong ginagawa. Yes, merong travel, okay? For some of you, if you are working abroad, maybe kailangan mo ng bakasyon, magbabakasyon ka. Yung iba, you have completed a job successfully and nagbigay sa inyo ng sense of pride. wealth, family wealth, accumulation of wealth, okay? Family get together, you are looking forward to it, okay? May mga plans ka. Nag-iisip ka ng mga ways, okay, ng mga options para ma-improve ang inyong family wealth. Yung income streams mo, nag-iisip ka ng iba pang paraan, okay, para ma-provide yung pangangailangan ng inyong family financially, okay? Merong kasaganahan sa inyong pamilya. And pagtitiwala, okay? Happiness in your family life, in your home life. Yung mga material needs na mi-meet, okay? Merong support sa isa't isa, trustworthiness, and respect. Family gatherings, you are looking forward for a family celebration and gatherings. Merong pagpaplano, you are looking forward to that. Iniisip mo na yan. But for some of you, right now, nasa planning stage, parang hindi mo pa magawa, okay? Marami kang pangarap para sa inyong pamilya. When it comes sa dynamic ng inyong intimate relationship or sa partner ninyo, may pagbabago na mangyayari, merong pagkakaintindihan, okay? May changes. Kung ano man yung change na meron yan, you will be supportive of that. Kailangan mo rin, for some of you, kailangan mo rin alagaan ang inyong sarili. Okay? Kung meron ka mga decisions or clarifications para sa inyong relasyon or sa mga romantic relationship mo, for some of you, merong pagbabago dyan. Now, you will improve yourself. You will nurture yourself. Okay? May changes na mangyayari doon. Magkakaroon ng clarification. Kung naguguluhan ka before, now, alam mo na kung anong nangyayari. You will have the answer. You will focus on yourself. You will continue to improve yourself. Okay? And you will give importance to yourself. Kung magulo man ang inyong relationship, ang love matters ninyo, kung may problema ka doon, iiwasan mo yun. Okay? Merong pagbabago na mangyayari. May independence. You will be fulfilled. Okay? May mga new opportunities. Looking forward ka sa mga opportunities na para sa'yo or na darating para sa'yo. You will be confident. You feel that you have everything na kailangan mo to move forward. Okay? At maging successful. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will take the risk. You will let go or you will free yourself from a conflict situation. Yung sitwasyon na magulo, merong hindi pagkakaunawaan, merong dishonesty. Okay? Aalisan mo yan, yung ganyang situation, or you will free yourself from that situation. Okay? You will be independent. So, choose your battle wisely, Pisces. Do not get involved with arguments or conflict. Kasi may mga ibang tao na hindi maganda ang intensyon or yung mga motives nila. Okay? Either in your work area, in your work environment, or in business or finances. Okay? Ignore them. Yeah. Meron kang kakayahan na mabigyan ng solusyon ang mga problema mo. You are the decision maker. You have the abilities, the skills, and resources to be independent, okay, and to be successful. You are creative. Okay. Mga tao pumupunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong. Ikaw yung nakakapagbigay ng support or tulong sa kanila. You have the capability or the ability to do that. There will be a successful marriage or a completion of a job or a project. Matutuwa ka, merong celebration. Justice. Keep doing what you think is right. Magkakaroon ng hustisya ang mga challenges na mga nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Be aware sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa mga hindi maganda yung intention. May mga desisyon ka na kailangan gawin, okay, or kailangan harapin. You feel, okay, and iniisip mo, parang ini-ignore mo muna, pero sooner or later, kailangan mong harapin. Okay? Yan. Okay. May mga iniisip kang paraan how to further develop yourself, how to nurture yourself, so you will have this independence, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng kakayahan to move forward sa buhay or sa career or sa work. Magkakaroon ka ng self-improvement, okay? Focus on yourself, Pisces. There will be changes in your relationship or in your partnership. It may be work, or intimate or love life, okay? Relationship. May changes na mangyayari doon. Merong kasanagan. Yung mga unhealthy na hindi nangyayari or mga hindi maganda, merong enlightenment or pagbabago, okay? Okay, everything will be okay with you, Pisces. Avoid conflict and arguments. Be aware sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Okay? Let us see ano yung messages for you from angels. Okay? Angel message please for Pisces. Pisces. Message for Pisces. Advice message Pisces. We have courage to ask for and accept help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, as is accepting it as it is offered to you. Very often when you ask God for help, prayers are answered through other people. Be sure to accept this assistance as well as give it to others as you are guided. Okay? So, wonderful message for you, Pisces. Ask for help. Kung meron kayong mga fears surrounding money, okay, or resources, have the courage to ask help, okay, or comfort from other people, na trusted na people, okay? Everything will be okay for you, Pisces. Believe in yourself. Continue to develop yourself. or kung ano man yung inyong ginagawa. You will be independent, okay? And confident sa inyong sitwasyon. For Pisces, please. Pisces, a message for Pisces from the angel number. Pisces. Number 25. If you keep seeing the number 25, this is the message for you. You have a great ability to take in and process information on both conscious and subconscious levels. Your curiosity is endless, and your desire to dive deep into a variety of subjects will bring you an immense awareness of the world. I am intelligent. Okay, so you are intelligent, Pisces. Believe in yourself, okay? Have the courage to move forward, further develop yourself, be independent, and avoid conflict, Pisces. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you. Maraming salamat sa iyo for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!